if you feel like you have a lot of internal pressure going on, you always feel like you need to be doing something, you always feel like you need to be providing the answers for questions that people come to you with, the solving the problems that people come to you with, or just always finding the answer to things and thinking mentally, just always doing internally, feeling like you have to do something. A lot of that can, the reasoning behind that can be shown and provided to you through your human design. So, yes, there are 5 different energy types, and they all have different needs and communicating styles, ways of processing, ways of utilizing their energy, specific needs. But we also are made up of 9 different centers that also impact how we operate, how we think, how we communicate, how we manifest, how we show up, all of those things. So, I want to talk about two centers that could be providing a lot of the internal pressure for you. So we have different centers that make up our energy. We have awareness centers, we have motor centers, we have pressure centers, we have the communication manifestation center, which is your throat center. But the two pressure centers I wanted to talk about today are the root center and the head center. And those two centers specifically are pressure centers. The head center provides you with pressure to come up with answers, think about things, the pressure to problem solve, the pressure to look for external guidance and having ongoing thoughts within your mind. And then we have the root center, which gives you pressure to want to take action. And those pressures are the centers and the pressures that get you going, that get you to take action, to get you to start doing things, to get you to start problem solving and processing things mentally. But it's often we can get stuck in that, or we can just always feel like that's what we need to be doing. And so it's very important to recognize that, like, yes, I have the pressure to do this all the time, but I don't always have to give into that pressure. So sit with it, have some time to digest and think about and reflect on what you're feeling. What is giving you this pressure? Where is the pressure coming from? Is it actually pressure from within that feels aligned for you to do right now? Or is it pressure that's coming externally, or just because you feel like you should be busy? The root center operates in a pulse like flow. So when it's on, it's on. When it's off, it's off. And when it's on, you definitely want to capitalize on that energy and be able to utilize that energy, especially if you're a projector. Projectors, there's another center that generators and manifesting generators have, the sacral center, which is the battery pack that gives energy to do things. And no projector has any sacral energy. So it's important for us to capitalize on the other energies that we do have. If you have your root center defined and you are in obtaining like pressure, you feel a lot of pressure to go, and it feels very aligned with you, then hop on that, maneuver with that energy, go with the flow of that creative, energetic pulse because it's on and you have it. It might turn off very soon, and then you'll need to wait for the next time that it turns on. So just pay attention to those things. Don't always give in to the pressure. Take time to get in tune with your body and what things feel like for you, so that you can understand the difference between your own internal pressure, your aligned pressure, or the external things that are making you feel like you just need to do something, take action, problem solve, or be the answer for everybody else. So if you want to, when you're ready to learn more about your human design, head on over to my website, sabledanielle.com. I have a free calculator for you to determine what your energy type is. And then you can also book a consultation with me so we could discuss your energy and how I can support you with aligning with your actual design. So have a great day, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out, y'all.